Hi there. This is a single product page of WooCommerce. And here you can see that there is a rating form. Any WooCommerce store accepts ratings with the help of this sort of form. It could be a different, but the main logic is the same. You have a rating field, then there's a feedback, name, and email. However, the problem with this approach is that it is unprotected from bots or software. So anyone can employ or use any sort of software, and it can be used against your website or any other store. And there can be hundreds and thousands of fake reviews on your stores or any other website. Now, Swift Commerce enables you to protect your feedback form from bad actors with the help of Google reCAPTCHA. And you can easily do that with the help of using Google reCAPTCHA right here inside the feedback form. All you have to do is head over to your Swift Commerce dashboard. In order to head over to the Swift Commerce dashboard, all I have to click on Swift Commerce, and I'll be seeing the Swift Commerce dashboard in a new tab. Right from here, I have to click on the spam, click on reCAPTCHA, and here you'll be able to see that there are multiple providers. For me right now, I have selected Google reCAPTCHA, and I have also added the site key and secret key already, which were provided to me by Google reCAPTCHA. Now I have to click on settings, and when I scroll down here, I have the option of product reviews. So when I click on this and save changes, you'll be able to see that the Google reCAPTCHA is added to my product review feedback form. And that's it. Now anyone can come here and share feedback on the product, but they'll have to make sure that they prove they are not a robot. I hope this helps out, and make sure that you need to have Swift Commerce Pro for enabling the reCAPTCHA on your feedback form.